Today, I want to share with you guys the advice I've got from a multi-million-dollar entrepreneur. And when it comes to selling your digital product, what you can do in order to attract leads and sell that product without you having to speak with anyone on the phone. Now, the main key step they acquired me to do was to sell based on story. If you sell based on story, this will help you not only attract the proper leads, but also close sales on an automated fashion. So this means based on your story, you're able to post these with your carousel, with your reels, with your YouTube videos, on your newsletter. And those stories are going to convey the value, but also persuade the audience in order for them to purchase your product. And this, again, you basically turn your account into a business generating machine, which constantly brings you new clients every single time. Now, the main idea for you guys to be able to do this is by knowing exactly who you're selling to. Okay, know the main person that you're selling to, which is your avatar. If you don't know your avatar, meaning you don't know in what segment of your niche you are trying to sell an offer to, it's going to be very hard for you to articulate exactly what the problem, situation, pain, or desire that specific person has. So my design of my digital business is catering to on one person business owners that are struggling to get leads, struggling to sell their offer, and or monetize their audience. Okay, so in my case, I help them get leads based on my system within my newsletter business. Now, I also help them monetize their audience in order to promote other people's brands. And then I also sell my offer. And based on my offer, I sell it to a specific demographic that is ready to work with me. I don't do pushy. I don't try to convey them to, jump on a phone call because I'm gonna show you this demo, whatever, because that is already known out there to be scammy. People try to say to you that it's a training call, it's a free demo call, blah, blah, blah. In reality, it's just a sales call in disguise. So I don't do those type of shady stuff. I prefer to educate people on what they can do. But if they feel that they want to work with me based on my story, based on my result, based on my program, based on my course or my strategy or my method, then they make a personal decision. They themselves is the one that's making that person's decision. And when they are ready, they will make the purchase and they will work with me. Okay, so I want you to insert within that framework also your story, because your story is going to be unique to them so that it attracts the right audience as well. And step number two, you want to publish videos or reels that are at least 180 days out so that you can get data and understand what exactly is attracting that audience. Okay, so you want to think on videos on how-tos, which are educational videos. You want to think on videos that are behind the scenes, which are more like how you're doing stuff, like recording your videos or preparing your content, etc., etc. You also want to think on videos that has to do with trends that are going on right now in the industry, meaning it might be a new song, a new video, or a new style, or a new font, or a new recording session, blah, 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 whatever you want to create it of. And you also want to do videos that are direct promotional videos. It talks about your program, it talks about your product, it tells them what's the main thing that they can benefit from, how it will help them get from point A to point B, and from there you give them a call to action. Because when you do videos that are like that, you will understand what is the angle that gets the most sales. Okay, now some people will say like, yeah, but I don't want to promote in videos because I don't want to come out as scammy or pushy or salesy, blah, blah, blah. You're not promoting. You're just showing people what is the best route that is to their benefit in order for them to take, in order for them to get their goals or hit their targets or achieve the outcome they want, etc. And you will explain to them throughout those 180 days. And that will attract hyper-targeted specific audiences. Why? Because you're targeting people that are problem aware, so they know they have a problem. They are product aware because they know you have a product and they've seen other products out there. And they are basically liking your brand. They're returning to your videos, example. Okay, so within, for example, in myself and my own situation, if I go to my YouTube history and I look at my content, I can see on average people are coming back at least from, I would say, every 100 people, at least like 20% are coming back to looking at the video I publish. So within that 20% of people that are coming back, I can probably say that I can get at least 1 to 3 sales. Okay, so if you think about it carefully for a moment, If you are posting videos, if you are publishing content, try to see how many people are returning back to your content, and try to see if those audiences indeed are more higher for a certain video topic or not. If you see they're coming back and looking at a certain video topic, then you want to rinse and repeat on those topics throughout those 180 days. Why? Because then after those 180 days, we want to launch our digital product targeting that specific pain that those audiences are coming back for. And then you want to use that as the main hook of your offer. Okay, because again, let's say you're selling a make money online product. Okay, but that make money online product is for a specific person that sells products on Etsy store or on Amazon or something. So then you want to start with, hey, if you're starting or you're launching an Amazon store and you're not getting leads, you're not getting sales, here's what to do. And then you go into the exact steps on what to do and say, if you find it too complicated to doing yourself and you want more insight and knowledge how I do it, here's my product. And my product shows you from A to Z how to get it done. And then if you can go here or go there or click the button below, blah, 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 you'll be able to get access to it. And you all can also use this as a coupon code. And you give them a 30%, a 50%, etc. coupon code they can use. Okay, so if you want to, for example, look at mine, you can simply go in the bio section, click on the link, you will find access to the page. And on the page itself, it says, hey, you can save certain amount of money if you use the coupon code. Now, logically, in my case, the coupon code's only for a limited quantity of people. So whether you go at the video right now or today or tomorrow or next week, it doesn't matter. What matters is I have only a limited coupon available so that after it finishes, it goes to regular price, and regular price is higher than if they were to use the coupon. So if you are smart and you're looking at this video right now and you already are producing content or you're already producing newsletter and you're not getting leads, you're not getting sales, and you want to monetize your audience, I would recommend you go to my link in the bio, check out my product. If you can use the coupon, go ahead and use it, because you're doing yourself a disadvantage, okay, by not specifically positioning yourself in the marketplace in order for you to make money right now. Right now is, I would say, the chance, the opportunity you have to produce money the quickest by leveraging YouTube, leveraging Instagram Reels, and or TikTok if you are getting a lot of views over there, in order for you to have a complete business in a box model for you to promote. Because even in my course, I also give it a lot of content and lead magnets away that you can use to attract leads for yourself. So if you're smart and you want somewhere that you can go and get an archive of leads to use and or grow your business, this is the platform you want to use right now. Okay, so I would recommend you the first step is to have insanely specific targeted content. Once you have data, once you know what your offer is, once you have lead magnets that you can use, and then you want to pitch your information in a subtle way, just as I have done in a couple of minutes ago or a couple of seconds ago, about explaining my process, explaining how I do it, and then from there, pitching people with specific offers that they can go and improve their business or get more leads or sell their offer, etc. Okay, so if you have more questions for me, you can simply leave it down in the comment section below, or you can go to my Instagram, hit me up on DMs, and from there as well, I can show you much more in depth what I can do. If you want to learn from me, but you're afraid of purchasing the course, or you don't want to make that investment yet, etc., you can simply go to my newsletter. There you can find more information on how I do this and what are the things I built throughout the steps or the milestones in order for me to be able to build a business online, selling my digital product. All right, so if you guys enjoyed this, I recommend you do that. Go ahead and check out the link in the bio. If anything as well, comment in the comment section. Let me know. Maybe you can comment no bad, or you can comment based on your questions you have, and I will get back to you. If anything, rinse and repeat what works and remove the things that are not working and double down on the things that are working so you can grow your audience, you can grow your reach, and also sell your offer. Take care.